I'm always missing something to dodge.
Alright.
Mort, I'll take ours first.
You are forbidden from my master's domain, mortals. Mortals, hurl yourselves into your own demise.
Alright, there's 250.
Connie.
Bella moving away.
Burn beneath my molten fury. Mortals, hurl yourselves into your own demise.
Ours in.
It's on mode.
Mortals, hurl yourselves by the Lord's command. You too shall.
Bella's got short.
Ooh, dodge. Nice.
Amar has it.
Dodge. Nice.
Just patiently waiting here.
Yeah.
Shards on bar.
Get ready.
Connie.
Con.
Burn beneath my molten fury.
It's on
Connie.
mode.
Mortals, hurl yourselves into your own demise.
Bella's got short.
Amar's got shot.
By the Fire Lord's command, you too shall perish. Fool mortals, hurl yourselves into your own demise.
Bar's got shard.
Oh my god, I dodged a lot.
Look at that sword on shield.
You haven't hit me once yet with the decimation blow.
Talk.
It's on mode.
Look at sword on shield. If they have sword, but they could do that.
Mortals, hurl yourselves into your own. By the Fire Lord's command,
Connie.
Bella's got short.
you shall perish.
Taunting? I didn't even take a hit.
He got his decimation blade. That's why I taunted. I like to dodge them.
Amar has it.
You can taunt if you like.
Oh, you're having fun. You just gotta let me keep that axe now.
Yeah, of course. I was not gonna take it. Good job.
Forbidden.
Jeez, what's with these caster trinkets?
Yeah, I want that on Jammy.
Dang, there's some nice plate bracers I already have.
Well, that one was easy.
Yeah, if you already have them, Bessie for your tank.